Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix or how to get CapCut on iPhone if CapCut app is not showing in App Store. If you're using any iPhone and your CapCut app is not showing in your App Store, so let's see how can you fix the issue. So the very first thing, you just have to make sure that you are connected to a strong internet connection, and after that you have to disconnect your VPN. So at some time VPN affect on your location based content. So you just have to disconnect with your VPN, and after that you have to go back and here go for App Store app again, and you have to search for CapCut. Or if you find CapCut app here, so it will almost fix your issue. Or if this method doesn't work for you, you have to open settings app and go for screen time section, then go for content and privacy restrictions, and you have to disable all the restrictions from here because sometimes these restrictions might hide some apps, so you have to disable the restrictions, then go for App Store, and after that if you're still having the same issues you have to tap on your profile, then tap on your profile again, and from here you have to change country or region for your Apple ID. So let's do that. And once you have changed your country or region, it will fix your issue and you can find CapCut in your app store. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.